Hi, good day guys. Welcome back into my channel. I'm going to take you guys through a little bit of a tutorial, just a little bit, just to show you guys how I did my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this one as well. It's really nice. So come on, let's go into my studio. Let's go tape this one now. Hi, good day guys. Welcome into the video today, guys. If you like what you see on my face, I just got my face done and I'm going to show you guys how I did this. This is an everyday wear for me. It is something that I've grown accustomed to doing. I do it regularly all the time, so it's become like second nature. I literally can do my face like this with my eyes closed. If you like how flawless this look to some degree, go ahead and keep on looking. I know you guys will enjoy this video as well. Guys, normally when I do my makeup and stuff, I normally do everything in my bra. Sometimes I put on my robes. Today I just feeling a little warmer than usual, so excuse how a girl looks. Hope you guys appreciate this one as per usual. Go like, comment, subscribe, shoot up in the comment section for your girl. Most of the video will be sped up and jump to some effects, so you don't have to sit here always watching me get my makeup and my hair done. Huzzy and I are about to step out, so we're going to have a little evening dinner out and I want to look cute today, so I'm going to do up my makeup and my hair. Yeah.
Attention, baby, I can't make a move. Like a child, a star for love, I'll stay there as long as I have to. I'll cry a river of tears that flows to the sea. Baby, if you run away, baby, if you leave, I'm so in love with you, girl. You make me feel brand new. Come on, give it up to me. Let me take care of you. I know that your mama said I'm gonna make you cry all night.
this love. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs, like we barely even touched the ground. I love you more each day, and I pray I can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah. Whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I found a way to go back in time, found a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. One shining moment. Oh, I remember when you used to call for me. Knew sooner or later you would fall for me. It was all for me. As we went deeper, found love in a place that we never knew. Changed all of my plans, making room for you. Did it all for you. But lately something ain't right, so maybe you should go find just what it is that's really got your mind. And I'll love you still, I always will. Be strong, cause in my eyes you can never do no wrong. So I'll be standing right.
So guys, this happens to be my everyday makeup. This is how I would normally start off first. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, shoot up in the comment section for your girl. If you like my look, this is what I do before I put my units on. This is normally how I wear my face most of the times, most of the videos. It's an easy format. I find it works well for me. I don't have to do too much contouring and all that because I just don't do it on an everyday base. If you want to have a real nice looking flawless type makeup for an everyday look, this is how I do it. You can duplicate it yourself and you will look just as beautiful or even more beautiful than me. But anyway, hope you guys like that one. Don't forget to follow me on my handles as well as Star Pollyanna on the screen as well as down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the hair video, and if you want to see that video, I'm going to put a thumbnail right up here so you can go ahead and enjoy the way in which I adhered my unit or my units to my hair.